Right, let's practice your samba. So we're going to start with the left foot ready. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Botafogo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1. And now we Volta point. Cross and point and cross and point and cross and point and cross and stop. Okay, let's try it with the music. You ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2. Botafogo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.